want to show you a fun way to use mirror image on the embroidery side of the machine, but I'm also going to do it and partner it with the 360 by 350 Grand Dream hoop. I know this is a huge hoop, it doesn't even fit on screen here, but it is a unique way to use the technique and this hoop together. So we're talking about, let's just start by bringing in a design, and in the signature areas, design number 15 is a larger design. Now I do have just the standard like 360 by 200 hoop selected. So I do want to start by just showing you first, if it comes in outside of the stitching area, go ahead and touch center so you can actually see what this design looks like. So it's tall and skinny, and it has an option for a mirror image that is pretty cool. So even if you're not doing something for this hoop, let's just talk about edit design, and over here the mirror image functions. You can flip it left to right. You can kind of see the butterflies flipping here to here, and then you can also go vertical up and down, and you can actually put both mirror images activated. So you can actually have all of them all at once. So just depending on which way you want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and put it back to the way it started. Let's go ahead and touch for the hoop options. Scroll down to the end and find Creative Grand Dream Hoop 360 by 350. Close down the hoop options. Now, just a reminder, if you ever see that middle area come up that's gray, you find sometimes it does, like it thinks the design is a bigger design and this hoop will come up. You've got to turn it off if that's not the hoop you're using. Sometimes you get that weird message like, stitch out, please move the design. The color block has been placed on both sides of the turnable hoop. That's an indication that, whoops, we have overstepped that middle boundary area. Okay, so first off, I'm going to just kind of move it to this side. If I want to go ahead, touch and hold for a quick duplicate, and then I've got two of them here. But you know what's really cool is to find that mirror image, because that really brings a whole new look to the design. Now the outside edge is red, so I'm going to go into Edit Design and just use that feature where you can bump it into the hoop so it's not outside, it's stitching field. So you can see that we can be near each other here. I do want to just guide you that these two designs can come and touch each other, but as long as this one doesn't go past that last edge, you can stitch this, and you can do it in the big hoop and not have to rehoop, which is pretty awesome. So that is what it's going to look like when you are mirror imaging a design, but of course you could take that and give it a couple of flips and see which one actually looks best for what you're working with. Love the mirror image feature because all of a sudden this design looks a whole lot more interesting than what we had just as a single design on screen. I hope you'll check out all of our free videos that we've done on the Pfaff Creative Icon 2. You can start binge watching from those links below, and there's other links for our online courses down there as well.